Respected volunteers, we all are into sight improvement research program. So let's see what are the setup exercises you are supposed to do in this 3 months. So first set of exercise would be join your both the hands fingers, thumb will join the thumb, index will join the index. In this way you join your fingers, keep your index finger below the nose and keep your middle fingertip on the bindi point and do the conscious breathing by closing your eyes. Just follow your breath, how the breath is coming in and how the breath is going out. So you can be in this gesture for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. See your convenience and do it with a mindfulness. After this, we will go to the second set of exercise. For the second set of exercise, we need our 3 fingers, thumb, index and the middle finger. So our thumb tip will be, if you will close your eyes, if you draw a straight line, you will come across with this outer line. In a straight line of the eyes, this is the point where you have to keep your thumb tip in this way. So after this, keep your index finger and middle finger tip above the eyebrow. In this way, it should be in a straight line of the pupil. So in this way, keep your eyes closed and do the conscious breathing. Inhale and exhale and be mindful how the breath is going in and going out. Be in this gesture for 1 minute or 5 minutes or 15 minutes, but be mindful, be in a comfortable gesture. So after this second step, we will move to the third step. So what we will do, keep your left hand in this way, above it keep your right palm. So by keeping in this way, join your thumb tip in this gesture and keep it above your lap. You can sit in a Sukhasana position and keep it above your lap and do the conscious breathing by closing your eyes. Close your eyes and follow your breath, how the breath is going in and how the breath is going out. Be in this comfortable gesture for 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but be mindful and be in a pleasurable state. After this third state, now we will move to the fourth state. Fourth state is massaging the eyes. So the fourth round will be below the eyebrow. We will press around it for 5 times in an anti-clockwise way, and then after finishing the 5 rounds we will do the clockwise massage below the eyebrow, and we will complete the set of 5 or 10 as per our convenience. Then we will do the rubbing of the palm, then we will do the cupping of the eyes, and ensure while cupping your eyes are completely open in the darkness. There is no light is passing through your palms. After this, the fifth one will be on the eyebrow. We have to do the massage. So go along with the nose, press on the eyebrow, follow the structure, bony structure, press it. This is the one time. In this way you cover 5 times and then you do the clockwise rotation in this way of 5 times or 10 times. After that you do the rubbing and cupping of the eyes, keeping your eyes open in the complete darkness. Then the sixth round would be above the eyebrows. So go along with the nose, press the bindi point, go above of the eyebrows and go below the cheekbone. Go along with the nose. In this way complete the setup 5 or 10. Then you go in the opposite direction. In this way cover the complete area, and after that you can do the rubbing of the palm and keep the cupping over the eyes. Keep your eyes open in the complete darkness and enjoy the relaxation of the eyes. After this you can do the seventh one is the squeezing of the eyes. So let's do the squeezing. We will squeeze the eyes. We can hold this gesture for 15 to 20 counts in the mind, and we will gradually open very slowly, and we will look straight. We will look straight, and then again we can repeat the same gesture, and after the completion of the twice or thrice we will do the rubbing of the palm and cupping of the eyes and keeping our eyes open in the complete darkness. So after this, the last one, the eighth one is the blinking. So we will do the blinking of the eyes. We will blink our eyes. We will drop our eyelids, lift our eyelids little bit fast. So after this, we will do the rubbing of the palm and we will do the cupping of the eyes. Ensure the eyes are completely covered with the palms, eyes are open inside it, and there is complete darkness. So with this eighth gesture, the complete set of exercise is finished. So in this way we will do morning, afternoon and evening thrice a day, and we will keep our eyes healthy because the health is in your hands only. Namaskar.